Welcome back to the Arnott install series. I'm Marvin, and today we're replacing the rear air strut on this SUV using Arnott part number AS-4412. This Arnott air strut is designed specifically for various GM SUVs on the GMT1xx Chassis platform. Eddie is our lead tech for this install. He's already got the vehicle staged, and is it ready to go?
Yep, it's ready to go. We're going to be doing the right rear corner. Installing won't take long.
Awesome. Eddie will handle the install on the vehicle, and I'll walk you through each step so you know exactly what's happening and why. Let's get into it. Before working on any air suspension system, verify pressure has been safely relieved and disconnect power to the air suspension system prior to disassembly. Do not allow dirt or grease to enter the system. Lift and support the vehicle at the correct jacking points. Make sure it's stable and always wear standard hand, ear, and eye protection. Disable and deflate the air suspension system according to the manufacturer's instructions. Raise the vehicle and make sure it's properly supported. Next, remove the rear wheel. Disassemble a portion of the wheel well liner to gain access to the top of the strut tower. Disconnect the electrical connector from the strut. Now, remove the air fitting from the strut. Disconnect the brake line bracket from the lower control arm. Disconnect the lower control arm from the wheel hub. Remove the lower strut mount bolt. Remove the 3 top nuts while holding on to the strut from below. Carefully pry on the lower control arm and remove the strut from the vehicle. If you require more clearance, you may also loosen but do not remove the bolt connecting the trailing arm to the rear frame. The removal is now complete. Now it's time to install the new Arnott part. As we begin the installation process, remember to tighten all nuts and bolts to the manufacturer specifications. Position the new Arnott strut into the vehicle. Loosely thread the 3 new included top nuts, but do not tighten yet. Reinstall the lower strut mount bolt and tighten to manufacturer specifications. Reconnect the lower control arm to the wheel hub, tightening to specifications. Reconnect the brake line bracket to the lower control arm and tighten to spec. Now, torque the 3 top nuts. Prior to inserting the existing airline, remove and discard the OE airline fitting. Inspect the line for scratches or deep cuts as they can cause leaks. Then remove the shipping pin and insert the airline directly into the new airline fitting until it stops. Gently pull on the airline to confirm it is fully secure. Reconnect the strut's electrical connector. Ensure all hardware is tightened to manufacturer specifications. Then secure the wheel well liner and reinstall the rear wheel. Finally, enable and inflate the air suspension system according to the manufacturer's instructions. The install is complete. That wraps up the installation of Arnott part number AS-4412, the new rear air strut for various GM SUVs on the GMT1xx chassis. Eddie, how's everything looking?
Everything is looking great. The rear's been torqued down to specification and is ready to go.
Perfect. With the system fully verified, this SUV is ready to get back on the road. For more air suspension training, sign up for Arnott's Air Suspension Academy. It's built to help technicians stay confident in the bay. Thanks for watching the Arnott Install Series. We'll see you on the next one.